Suppose if you have two options, one
Mm.
option is to choose tacos for whole life, and one option to choose anything else except tacos. What do you want to choose for whole life? You don't care about your health or like that.
I would probably have. Hey,
Hi,
hi, how are you?
I'm very fine, and you?
I'm doing really well. I'm Lisa.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Indrajit.
It's very nice to meet you. Where are you calling from today?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Oh, very nice. Which part?
Yes, I am from West Bengal,
Never heard of
and
that.
I am from the eastern part of this country.
Oh, excellent. Excellent, excellent. Well, welcome to Cambly. How long have you been on?
Yeah, I have been using over 1 year.
Oh, how do you like it so far?
Yeah, I like it so much because when I open my Cambly app, I think that I have a tool. I have a world too because it is like a handful globe. And I want to ask you that where are you from?
I'm from the United States, but I've been living in Mexico for the past couple of years.
Okay, okay. So may I ask that why are you living Mexico in Mexico?
Oh, I love Mexico. Mexico is a wonderful place. The people are amazing. The country is beautiful. The food is incredible. So
Oh,
yeah, I came down for a vacation and I never left.
oh, so nice, so nice, so nice. And have you tasted before coming to Mexico? Have you tasted Mexican food?
Yes, yes. And I used to come to Mexico to visit, but the last time I came here, I was just ready to live here. I was done.
Yeah, I was asking that what do you eat generally in the breakfast?
Oh, breakfast, chilaquiles. So it's like you put chips and beans and cheese and a nice mole sauce with some onions. It's
Oh
not
wow,
it's not very healthy, but it's very delicious. So
delicious. Yeah, yeah, it is good. And what do you eat in lunch generally, or what people eat?
mm, today I'll probably have some tacos.
Okay, tacos. Tacos, I think very famous because I heard about tacos 10 times.
Oh, they're amazing.
Yes, tacos are yes. Do you love tacos?
Yes. Well, I think if you live in Mexico, you kind of live on tacos because they're the best in the world. So, yeah. Yeah. What do you have for breakfast in the morning in India?
Yeah, I eat generally roti or parota. It
Oh,
is made
okay.
with
That sounds
it is
nice.
made with flour and also with vegetables, green vegetables or potato curry like that. And also
Wow.
sometimes
Very
bread and butter.
healthy.
Yeah, and sometimes bread and butter with boiled egg.
Oh, with wild egg. I've never tried that before. Bread and butter with wild egg?
No, no, boiled egg. Just I
Oh,
type it.
boiled egg.
Yes, yes,
Okay. That
yes,
sounds like a
boiled egg.
very healthy breakfast. Excellent. Okay, well, what about your lunch? What do you have for lunch?
In lunch, thali. Thali includes rice, dal, that means
Mm,
pulse, rice, and
mm,
fish curry or chicken curry sometimes, or
okay.
sometimes just normal vegetables.
Oh, okay. Very healthy diet.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And in dinner, we take same. We eat same like
Yeah.
lunch. And
Yeah.
what do you in dinner?
Oh, usually for dinner, I try to have a salad because
Oh,
I eat so heavy during the day.
okay, yeah, I see, I see.
So I have to get some
Balanced
vegetables.
diet chart.
Yeah.
You oh,
Yes. Try to eat something healthy.
yes, yes. Great, great. And suppose if you have two options, one
Mm.
option is to choose tacos for whole life, and one option to choose anything else except tacos. What do you want to choose for whole life? You don't care about your health or like that.
I would probably have some kind of seafood.
Okay, seafood.
Okay, so
So,
if money doesn't matter, I would probably have like lobster or shrimp.
okay, lobster. So you like lobster.
I like lobster and I like shrimp and I like grilled fish.
Oh, grilled. So grilled one
Yeah.
you like very much.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, great. I see. So you are very spicy. I think you like spicy food.
I'm getting better at it. I'm learning a little bit more. I'm
Oh,
starting to love habanero pepper. So, and that's like, whoo.
okay, I see, I see. And I want to appreciate your hair. That your hair looks really
Oh,
amazing.
oh, thank you. I appreciate
Great, great.
that.
And I also notice it in your profile video on
Oh,
camera.
yeah. Well, I appreciate that.
On that, when I notice this, I think it is not colored. Now I see that it is colored.
It's colored.
Great. And you look so amazing.
I'm
You,
sorry?
you look so amazing with this amazing hair.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
And also it really fits you, suits you
Oh,
very well.
oh, thank you. Thank you. It used to be very long, but then I cut it off for the summer.
Yes. Okay, no, yeah.
Yes.
Summer it is really it is really hard to maintain such long hair in summer. I feel it.
Yes. Yes, it gets too hot. And I like to go swimming a lot,
Okay,
so
yeah.
it's kind of best to keep it a little short.
And also dry it will dry up very lately, so that's why.
Yep, exactly. You know a lot about hair.
I know.
Well, you've got some great hair too. I like yours. It's looking very good, very
Okay,
sharp.
thank you.